All right, Louis Porcelain, ManoMarket.com, and this is the market recap for um, October 13th. Well, guys, sorry, I stepped away and went and ran an errand because I thought that there would be no movement in past 2:30. But once again, I'm wrong. But it did do exactly what we said. It went. I told you can't get involved unless it goes below the bull bear zone and takes the Goldbeck's low out, which was 1880, and we went down and made a low of 1865. So I guess we broke 1,500 points from there. Um, anyway, this is the 50% retracement I talked about. This 1870 area, which is the 50% from the low in February of this year. I think that low is 1732. 1732, I believe, or it might be 1832. I got to check this out. So let's go to the day chart. Let me go to the day chart, which I have here. All right, bring it over. So back on, sorry, I'm having trouble moving these charts around. All right, here we go. All right, so back here on, that's April. So right here on February 5th, it looks like we put a low in at 1732 right here. That's right. So we have now retraced to 50%. It looks like to me that it's heading to here, which would be 1804. That's what it looks like. There it's heading to complete this chart. So I thought I'd show that to you guys, and you know, not tell you that the sky is falling, but look, this correction is healthy. We needed a healthy correction, okay? And if the bulls liked it at up there at the highs at 2014, they're going to love it down here, and they'll step in and they'll rescue it by the end of the year. All right. So this is today's trading from 8:30 in the morning. So when we put the high in, okay, we challenged the value area high or low. I'm sorry. Went down, bounced off our bull bear zone, kind of stayed there all day until what? The last 40 minutes of the day, we put this move in. Went down, got to the 50% of 1870. We've made a low now at 1865 even. I, I can tell you, I think the market is headed for this 1840 area. 1840 area. Okay? It may do a little retracement. Now, if you guys are trading overnight, people are trading overnight, take a look at this. This is our 5-minute pivot. Now, see how the pivots move down? This is indicative of trending markets. It comes back and it'll come here now. So, if you got a 5-minute close overnight above 1886.75 or 1887, let's put 87, then this would become a buy. So, thought I'd just let you know about that. You're gonna. This is exactly the way markets trade, right? When it was making new highs, we kept going. Oh, it can't keep going higher. And I'll tell you what, until it makes its mind up, it's going to keep going lower until the buyers say that's it. That's the end of it. All right. So I'll be a little more on top of things tomorrow. I came back from. Let's take a look at the market profile. See what the day profile looked like for the day. So here's market profile now, and look what it's done. It's created a bunch of single prints between here, 1871, and here, 1883. So it doesn't mean that they're going to fill them in today. Single prints, I've seen them last for months before they go back and fill them in. But when you do get these single prints like this, they eventually they suit those they will fill in sooner than later. So when the market starts turning to a buy or you get an uptrend or a buy pivot, then they become targets for us. I'll always keep you alerted on those. I'll always keep you alerted on those. Let's see. At the end of the day, let me go what they do at the end of the day. End of the day, they put negative delta of 66,000 contracts. Not to be, don't be misled by that just because they put 66,000 because these guys, the people that are here, they're doing a hedge against options. They're doing a hedge against cash. It's not all just straight out selling futures. So you need to be careful about that. No, the negative delta figure. All right. So hopefully everybody is starting to get used to this. And if you have any questions, send them to manovermarket at gmail.com, manovermarket at gmail.com, or you can send them at manovermarket at support.com, I believe. If that doesn't go through, it's on our site. You can see. I'm going to put up a new blog tomorrow. Chris kind of has a new blog once a week. We have a new blog talking about different things. You should go to our blog and look at what we've already posted. So uh, this is Louis Porcelino, Man Over Market, and have a good night. And if you're trading overnight, be careful about this area right here. All right. If we get above that, we'll get a little bit of retracement in a rally. All right. So everybody have a good night and happy trading, and talk to you tomorrow.